My last batch of little potatoes that I covered with stuff didn't come out real good, so I decided to do it this way. So we'll see how this works. Once again, another quickie cooking with Judd. I just baked some potatoes, the little red ones, and then I chopped them up with my masher, and then I bushed them into this glass bowl, and I'm going to cover them with the cheese and the bacon bits. Okay, my frozen thing of cheese here. Oh, that looks plenty. That's too much, actually. There we go. Okay. Tempted to throw a little pizza sauce in there, but what the heck. I'd probably be pushing it. Okay. Yeah. And bacon bits. There we go. Boom. Bacon bits. Oscar Mayer. See? There we go. Cheese, and now we'll throw some bacon bits on there. Oh, this is going to be nice. This will be like a little bacon potato casserole. Okay, so there we go. Okay. The oven. Boom. Okay, so we're going to give that 15 minutes at 350 to melt the cheese and bake the bacon. Baking bacon, that's a good thing. Okay, let's see how it comes out. Okay, time to pull them out. Okay, there we go. A potato, cheese, bacon bit casserole. We're going to have to let that set up for a while, or I'm going to burn my tongue worse than with a pizza. So we'll check that out in a little bit and see how it is. Looks good. Okay, we're back. I had to let it set 20 minutes. It was very, very hot. Needed to give time to cool off. And while that was happening, I had the brilliant idea to put some sour cream on it. So here we go. Doesn't that look good? Now, for the taste test. Hard to do this when you're holding a camera. Ooh. We have a winner. Happy idea. Yeah, it's good.